Don't talk, okay?
Oh, okay.
It's low tide.
No. Water now, we go, this there is a fisherman.
Oh, the fishermen go out there?
Finish fish now.
Okay.
So I want to show you, come my sister, come with me.
Dada?
Yeah,
Sister?
Dada. This.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, come, I want to show something, okay?
Okay.
You ready? Come.
Oh, in the water?
No, come. This is my boss. Come.
Did you go fishing today? Oh, I don't want to go in.
Oh, no, go. Only stay.
It's okay.
Only stay, take a video.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
We got a good video from here.
Yeah, come.
Did you go fishing today?
Oh, no, today is not the fishing. Tonight. Now it's finish.
So
Yeah.
people that were out there, they're looking for fish, or what are they looking for?
Oh, no, people, this day you look in the octopus, not fish.
Oh, octopus.
Because octopus, you stay in the stone. Video.
Yes.
Octopus, you stay in the stone. So, some people, I want to show you something like this in the fish market. Come with me.
Okay.
Come with me. But me no beach boy, fisherman.
You're not a beach boy.
You're not a beach
you're
boy?
fisherman.
Many beach boy here.
Oh, okay. You're here to work.
Me fisherman.
You're a fisherman. What's your
Fish.
name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed, the fisherman.
Mohammed from Nungwi.
Nungwi.
Welcome Nungwi. Enjoy your holiday. Mohammed, superstar.
He's a superstar, yes. I love it.
Oh wait, look, a jellyfish.
Yeah, no, because this is dead now.
Yeah.
It's dead. Yeah.
You just picked up
I've never
the
seen anyone pick it up
jellyfish.
before.
It's dead.
Okay. You're much braver than I am, Mohammed.
He's a fisherman.
Because you're a
that's why.
fisherman.
Yeah, I'm a fisherman. This is a friend, you know. Like fish. Come with me here.
Oh, I lost fish.
Hakuna matata.
Kuna Matata.
Where are we going?
I'm going to look in the fish market.
Okay.
Ready video?
Yes.
Cameraman,
Cameraman.
are you ready?
We're ready.
Yeah, okay.
How long have you been a fisherman for? How long have you been a fisherman for?
How long?
Yeah, how many years have you been a fisherman?
So, for me, it's to them.
You're a student?
Yeah, fishing. Teacher speak English good.
Oh, you're a
But
teacher?
for me, it's small English. I'm
Kidogo.
sorry. Kidogo sana.
Very
Yeah.
little.
Kidogo sana.
You know more English than I know Swahili.
I speak Swahili. Swahili is my language.
Yeah.
Speak
Kidogo.
mapema sana kumbe tena kutaka hakuna kwa sabisa kwena.
Nope, I don't know that. I don't understand that.
Okay, you looking like this? Come with me. Wait, video cameraman.
Video, yes.
It's mama. Mama is me.
Okay.
Come with me, okay? Don't talk, okay?
Oh, okay.
Hello, salam alaikum jamani.
Hiyo anapiga picha.
Seaweed and stuff like that.
I don't think they want to be filmed.
No.
Yeah, I don't think they want to be filmed.
Definitely.
Okay, hey. Yeah.
You get us in trouble?
They didn't want to be on
You're
film.
talking about this.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. You follow me.
We're following you.
You're gonna get us in more trouble?
Huh?
You're gonna get us in more trouble?
No, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You follow me, Muhammad, okay?
Okay. Muhammad would never get us in trouble.
I'm sorry? High five? Be careful with him. You already got us in trouble once.
Be careful, it's him.
Yeah, it's much lower.
Here we can see more of the low tide. He's a beach boy. Let's just see this real quick. We just want to see this real quick. Let's go to the fish market.
Let's go fish market. Not this.
Okay.
What this?
I wanna
This is
find
nothing.
starfish.
Nothing, stone, nothing.
Just stones.
Yeah, stone. Let's go fish
I want
market.
to find starfish.
No starfish here.
I saw one yesterday.
You want the starfish?
I saw it yesterday.
No, you want the starfish?
I want to find it in the ocean.
Not here, starfish. You follow me?
How far to the fish market? We're almost there?
So this is what I was envisioning. Look at all this, see?
Yeah.
My friend, behind of this boat you can see starfish.
Starfish are over here?
Yeah, over here.
Behind the boat?
Yeah, second one. Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the starfish. Asante.
Yeah.
Okay, so listen.
Yes.
Listen. Hey, my sister. Fisherman, I understand. This, I know you're joking, you like the money. Follow me, this there. Where? No, nothing.
He's saying there's nothing out here. Where's this fish market?
Who do we trust?
Fish market is here.
The fish market's right there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the fish market.
Let's go fish market.
There's some coral.
My sister.
Yes.
Be careful.
Okay. Sawa.
No, people, you ask you go, you go. No, be careful.
Unless they're gonna take you to the fish market, that's when you go.
Yes.
Okay, that's the only time to go. Okay.
Be careful. Maybe me, I ask you, starfish go over there. Maybe dangerous
Yeah.
for you. Be careful.
Gotta be careful.
Zanzibar here. No Tanzania, Zanzibar here.
Zanzibar.
Sawa.
Here's a starfish. But he's dead, I think.
Oh no. Yeah, there's flies everywhere. It looked like the same one we saw yesterday because he had one a little bit shorter.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's his other piece probably. Oh, here's another one.
Everyone we've seen so far has been like this orange color.
Yeah. probably put it back in the water. I'm gonna save you.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm saving the starfish.
Okay.
Or put it back in the water.
Okay, it's good, good, good. Very good. Superwoman. Superwoman.
I'm a superwoman.
Yes, I'm a superwoman.
Yeah.
I'm a superwoman.
Save
Love
the
it.
starfish.
No, now I'm going to look in the fish market.
We may never make it to the fish market.
Yeah. Fish market, you're looking for different. Something like this, you know. Hey, take a video.
Yes.
Jumbo.
Dumbo.
Boa sana.
Boasana.
Yes.
Missouri.
No, under control.
Under control.
Not today. Thank you.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
No, we leave in the morning. Thank you. Asante. Yeah, this is really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is exactly what I envisioned.
Mhm.
Everybody's down there.
Yeah.
All the ladies. Pole pole.
Hey, video.
Mhm.
Video.
Got it.
Unastage wapi? Unauliza unastage wapi? Ale, kama stage hapa jikate mamba.
I want to go this way. I don't know where the fish market.
Okay, listen. No, wait. No. You no. No good guy. You no go. Yeah, go. Ali, mfuko this. Yeah, no you. No. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
No, rich man.
He's a rich man?
Yeah, no, rich. Yeah.
He's a beach boy.
Yeah, no, beach boy. Yeah, beach boy.
He's a beach boy.
Yeah. This guy here is good guy.
He's a good guy?
Yeah,
America?
good guy.
America.
Yes.
Hakuna matata. Leka sekreka. Leka.
Lakers?
Yeah.
The Lakers?
Kuna matata.
Kuna Matata.
Ron? You watch the Lakers?
Leka.
Ale, niache kidogo. Baadaye. Okay,
Alright, you
here.
told him to leave.
Here, fish market. Yeah. You know, I respect for me.
Yes.
Mohammed, yeah. I respect me.
Respect yourself.
Yes.
You gotta love yourself first.
So this there, I look in the fish market.
This is where the fish market is.
And I show you my mother, my father, okay?
Your mother and your father.
Yeah, here is my home.
So.
Surprise.
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 I've been waiting for the surprise.
Surprise.
Okay.
No, come
I
together.
thought you said.
No.
I thought you said you were taking us to the fish market.
Surprise.
All right.
I thought you said you were taking us to the fish market.
No, yes. So this is here in
Yeah.
the fish market. Behind his home.
Oh.
Yeah. Not far we go.
That's relative.
Yeah.
Okay, you follow me here.
Following you.
Have shoes?
We have shoes.
Okay.
There's sea urchins down here?
No. For me, it's okay.
For you, it's okay?
Papa Africa. Papa Africa.
Papa Africa. So. Where's this guy taking us?
I have no idea.
First, he said he was going to take us to the fish market. And then as we pass everyone, he says, don't trust anybody, but just trust him.
Yep.
He's not a beach boy, he's a fisherman. Now he's taking us to his parents' house.
Yeah. I don't know about this.
Okay.
Hello. I'm moving, please.
Whew.
Okay.
Yep.
This is the video.
Yes.
This is the Nungwi. Nungwi is the new boat.
New boat, Nungwi.
Yeah, new boat. New boat. New boat for the fishermen from in Nungwi. New boat. Yeah.
Okay, how much longer do we go along with this walk?
Yeah, I don't want to go much longer. I'm not going to remember.
Yeah. All right, this is where we're going right here? Are we here?
No, fish market is here.
It's right there?
That's too far. I don't feel good.
I'm not far. It's already here.
This tent right here?
This, the blue.
The blue?
Yeah. What is over with your time?
She's got a little stomach flu, so we don't want to walk too much longer. We're walking with you like 15 minutes.
Yeah, here.
Okay. So it should be right behind this building.
He's not lying. There is a fish market up here.
Yeah. The problem is once you start walking with somebody, they won't tell you like, oh, it's like a 20-minute walk.
So we're literally like on the tip of the island now.
Yeah.
By the way.
And we were able to find the real low tide, so that was kind of cool.
Okay, telephone.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
Be careful.
Kuna Matata.
It's wrong, huh?
Yeah.
I already fish market here.
Fish market.
Not to go here.
We're finally here
Yeah.
with Muhammad the fisherman,
Yes.
superstar. Okay.
Superstar.
Dumbo.
Already fish market.
All right. I've been waiting my whole life for this.
Video, huh?
All right, we're on with the video.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's finally found the fish market. Oh wow.
Yeah. Fish, nice.
Jumbo. What kind of fish are they?
This is sardine
Sardine?
and tuna.
What's that big fish?
Tuna.
Nice.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh wow. Yeah. Okay.
Is that an eel?
Palumba.
Palumba.
Very, very good food.
Do you like it? Nice.
In Africa.
Very nice.
All right.
Thank you for taking us to the
Thank
fish
you, my
market.
friends. We'll have to come back and get fish.
Come look here. Come.
Where are you taking us now?
Come, it's me.
It's you. I've known you my whole life.
He said, come with me. I don't know if I want to come with him anymore.
You're not feeling? She's not feeling very good, my friends.
Okay.
We'll have to come back tomorrow, maybe.
Okay, maybe you help it for me and look at some eat.
We didn't bring our money. We didn't know we were coming.
Oh, no.
You just found us on the beach.
You're
So,
helping me.
Yeah.
Maybe 2,000.
I mean, I don't even have. We were just going to the beach by our place when you came and found us. We didn't know we would have to bring our money with us. Sorry, my friends.
Sorry. Hakuna Matata. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Tunani badai. What could possibly be next?